All right, curl friends. So if you take off your curling headband and you're expecting to see awesome curls, but instead, you get something like this. My curls are non-existent right now. I got like one here. It's like just weird shapes and long and stringy and this is not what we're going for. Don't you worry. I can totally help fix this. One of two things either went wrong. So either your hair is not 100% dry and you're taking it out too soon, and even if it feels like it's dry, it's just like ever so lightly damp, it can look like this when you take it out. So just make sure your hair is really 100% dry before taking it out. Otherwise, you're gonna get this weird like type of situation. The other thing to look into is what products did you use? So whether it be shampoo or conditioner or hair moisturizing masks or some leave-in conditioner, something could have just caused your hair to be way too moisturized and bloated so that it wouldn't allow your hair to actually set around the curling headband, and it'll turn out looking like this as well. Kind of like a curl here and then looks like So in that situation, just like next time around, use a different shampoo or conditioner or skip the hair mask and try it again, and it should be good to go. So in that regard, like Olaplex, K18 hair, a lot of super heavy hair masks, all of that can definitely lead to this like situation that we're seeing here, which is not what we're going for. So swap them out. Just try something different in your hair care routine and your problems should be solved. So hope this video is helpful. If you have any other problems or issues, just drop a note in the comment section below. We do read them and we put together all these videos to try to help you. So would love to hear from you. And thanks again, as always, for being our curl friend.